Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we're checking out this beautiful 1970 Oldsmobile 442. Straighten your wheel a little bit. Beautiful 442, and this one's powered by its numbers matching 455 cubic inch V8.
Isn't that crazy? Over 50 years. Isn't that nuts?
It is. It's still
55 years and it still has the original motor and drivetrain. It's pretty awesome.
It is. Beautiful.
People take that for granted. You know that?
They do. Yeah. Gorgeous interior. Beautiful exterior color, and this is the original color the car came in. It looks like it's had one repaint. Original paint still in the jams.
The engine bay looks really good as well.
It does. It's got the
bottom of the hood paint, all the ram air stuff.
Yeah. The cutout there on the hood. This is a steel hood, isn't it?
Looks like it.
Yeah. So used to seeing all those fiberglass. Power brakes, power steering.
Looks like they've had all new plugs, wires, tune-up, new Napa battery. I mean, this numbers matching 442 is ready to jump in and enjoy.
Yeah, I know the previous owner said he, put some money in it mechanically and just made it, how he wanted and very reliable. Car put a lot of miles on it.
How the hood fits. Right? These are always good. And look at that. That works good. Look at this one. Both of them work perfect. Look how nice and tight that is.
Yeah, and that's a beautiful color.
And how about the stainless on the grill? The grill itself, the front bumper, it's absolutely stunning, and I love that gold metallic paint.
It is. It's pretty. They did upgrade the headlights, put some LED in there, which makes it nice makes it more driver friendly than the old original style headlights.
It's got a great stance to it. The wheel and tire combination is fantastic. And they're just a nice wide tire all the way around. I'll get you a tire size.
Hood lines up great there in the back. And nice paint. It's an older repaint, but by looking at it, you almost can't tell. It's got real nice metallic, and the paint was laid very well.
It's got 255/60s all the way around. That's nice. A nice size tire.
It is. Nice
stance. You can tell it's just nice and wide too.
And I like those.
I'm guessing probably 15x8 wheels because they just stick out just a little bit there.
Yeah, I like it.
What were you saying about the paint? It's got a nice shine on top.
Yeah, older repaint, but it's beautiful. You look at it, it looks like it was done almost yesterday. But down here, you just have some little rock chips, very, very small, and this is just a rock chip here. That's the paint's chipped off to bare metal, but.
The black vinyl top with the black stripes really sets this off. If it would just be all that gold without the black top, I wouldn't like it as much.
Yeah,
but
I like the
black
vinyl
top is fantastic.
I like the body lines on these too, and if you look up and down the sides, very, very straight car.
The corners of the front of the door, in the very front and in the very back here, is perfect. We have a couple little chips down here, Dalton, just on that seam seal line right here, a couple chips there. Did you point?
Yeah, there's a chip there I pointed out.
It's cool.
Original paint in the door jambs, it looks like to me. You can just tell it's older.
Not quite as nice as the rest of it. Yes, it is the original paint there.
Yep,
and you can see, look at the brown oxy, the red oxy primer.
Underneath it, yeah.
Yep.
Kind of cool.
On the chips.
Original
corners
motor,
of the door
paint.
is absolutely perfect. Make sure you go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. Check out for yourself. 25 undercarriage photos. All we do is power wash the undercarriage and we photograph it right the way it is.
Yep. A lot of originality, I believe, to the interior too. Looks like the door panels, they're really clean, but you can kind of tell this carpet here at the bottom looks like it's maybe original door panel.
It very well could be, but man, the door panel's absolutely
very nice.
Almost perfect. The armrest, base pad looks nice. The bucket seats with the console. Dash pad's great as well. It's got the correct steering wheel. This is a quality car.
It is. Bucket seats are in excellent shape. As Chad mentioned, the dash, very nice on this passenger side here. Not seeing any cracks or issues in that dash pad. The wood grain's excellent. It's got the original AM radio. Full console. Headliner's very nice and tight. Dome light works. Back seat's very nice as well. A couple speakers there in the rear package tray. Again, just a real nice straight 442.
There's just tons of, not receipts or anything like that, but the original GM books and copies of it and everything as far as the, yeah, look at that original
And then I always like on these cars to look at this trunk lid area here. And of course, these with the 442 has the trunk lip molding, but you can just tell even underneath that, just all real nice,
Very
solid.
nice and thin, isn't it?
Yeah.
And how about the original spackling? It still looks great. You got the correct BFG spare wheel on the correct wheel, it looks like. You got the jack, all that stuff, just super nice and clean there.
Very solid car.
It does have a little extra paint here, 2D.
Nice.
Just a little can there, which is kind of nice.
I think the original color is burnish gold is what they called it. I looked at the trim tag and stuff a little bit ago and put that in the description, but burnish gold.
Hey, up and down the sides, it's really straight. And I love the 442s with the, you know, which I would say is the Cutlass S quarter panels. You know, and they made
Yep,
the
that
Supreme
little
long
flare.
one, and these are the Cutlass S's. Yep. Awesome muscle car. Can't wait to drive it.
Yeah.
The exhaust has got kind of the trumpet exhaust on it, cutouts back there.
Marker lights are in real nice shape too.
And remember, this is not a clone. This is a numbers matching real deal 70, which is the best year for the 442.
Yeah.
Not a 71, 72, 70.
Yep. And in 70, was 70 the first year they all had 455s? I believe so.
Yeah,
Because 69s you
had
could get the 400.
400s.
Yeah.
Yep.
So kind of a neat first year that they all had the 455s. And then with the W30, you also got a 455, but it was especially
Then
tuned.
71 and 2, they started putting 350 ones also. So
Yep.
then you could have a built 350 442
solid
or the
knocker.
455s.
Corner of the door.
But you couldn't really tell of what it was.
Yep. Corner of the door fits awesome. Again, original burnished gold paint here in the door jambs as far as I can tell. Maybe it's a real older paint in the jambs, but it looks original to me.
Perfect corner of the door. Still got the original sticker here as well. I don't see any overspray. You know what I mean? There's some here, but that's from the overspray
Yep,
of the
of
exterior
exterior
paint,
paint,
right?
yeah.
These
Under the-
almost look original too.
Under the rubbers, yeah, it's original paint, I bet, in the jams.
And you can just see that little bit of fade in that black right there on the carpet. But other than that, door panels look mint.
Yeah, it's got some old style
Stuart
gauges there.
Stuart Warner
Warners.
gauges, probably.
Yeah, but
I'm
seats
gonna
are
roll up the
excellent.
windows, G.
Yeah, let's do it.
Dome light works, headliner's nice and tight.
I didn't get this front fender yet.
All the windows roll up super smooth.
There's a small little chip here. But other than that, not much to point out. Excellent car.
Remote mirror, that works as well.
It's factory VIN. Top of the dash looks nice. All right.
80,587 miles on this, and I'm sure they're original.
Very nice. I'm excited to see how it goes down the road. Reverse lights even work, and that's something that typically doesn't work on a lot of old cars. A lot of times they're missing the bracketry there on the transmission, but working reverse lights too. All right, so we're just gonna take it for a spin here. Just looking in the glove box, found some neat stuff. Original owner's manual and inspection certification from the year 1984. Pretty cool.
That's pretty cool.
But glove box, light works.
Massachusetts. East Coast car. Yeah, that's nice. We'll put that back in there. Original AM radio does not work, but isn't that nice that it's still there and
Yeah,
it looks good?
100%.
All the wood grain and stuff's original.
Somebody did add an aftermarket tack in the dash at some point in this car's life, but tack works.
We do have to put some gas in this baby. So use a little gas. Dome light works as well. Headliner's original. Oil pressure is at 60 pounds. Amp gauge works, and temp gauge works as well. We're at about 132. So here's your wipers. Did the horn already.
Oh, good deal.
Here's your heater. Every single thing works, except for we are about out of gas. We're gonna put some gas in it when it comes in here. So. Another thing we always talk about, man, the first thing you see is the top of the hood. As it looks out, it lays there. The black is gorgeous, buff beautifully. So is the top of the fenders. And the wood grain's all original and nice. Here's your brakes. Brakes are way up top. Nice full pedal. I'm gonna go ahead and go through the gears here. Took it all the way down to first. This one shifts and gets, dog.
It does.
75, just like that. Look,
Awesome.
this is just as nice as those GTOs and Pontiac Cutlass that we drove.
Yeah.
Or Pontiac Cutlass set. What was
Yep.
it? No, Custom S.
Yeah. It just drives like an original mile muscle car.
Yeah, 80,000 original miles. Now we're in drive. We just went ahead. Our kickdown works properly. 4,000 RPMs. That transmission shifting. We're going down the road at 70. And it's about 3,000 RPMs. 2,800. So you're looking probably about a 355.
It just seals up so nice in here too.
It's an 80,000 mile car.
It is.
There's no doubt in my mind. I'm gonna go through the gears one more time just because it's fun. There's your brakes. Let's pull out tractor. I had a guy to go fast.
Suspension feels good in this too. You just
It
feel
does,
like you're
that's-
riding on a cloud almost. Just
Yeah.
nice
That's
suspension.
the thing with these old 442s. You know, they were a gentleman's muscle car.
Yes.
That's exactly what they were.
Spinning them.
Smoke the tires.
Man, this thing just drives awesome.
Those
Nice
are
shifts.
4,500 RPM shifts. That was 82.
Nice.
And that transmission is solid. I'm in love with this.
Yeah, it's a great car.
I was in love with that red 68 GTO,
Yeah.
and that was fast, but this thing will get it.
Yeah, absolutely. This is a sweet, sweet car. Someone's going to be very happy with it. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.